Hi everyone, this is lecture 9 where we are going to learn about comments. So comments in HTML are like notes you write in your code that won't show up on the actual web page. They help you or other developers understand and explain the code. In HTML, you can add comment using this syntax. You can create comment using this syntax. Let me show you. So this is the syntax of comment. Now I'm going to break down the syntax so that I can explain you in a well way. So this indicate the beginning. This one is the beginning. Let me highlight this. This is the beginning of the comment and this one is the end of the comment. And your comment goes here in between. This is where you can include any text or notes you want to add to explain the HTML code. So basically comments goes here. Now, when I save my file, it's not going to display on my web page because comments are ignored by the compiler. But it is a good practice to have a comments as the code become more clear and easy to understand for you as well as for other. Now you can see comments goes here showing anywhere? No. So it is ignored by compiler. Let me give you another example. For example, here you are going to add comment something like this. Here you are going to write something, writing information for the entire web page. And save this file. So it is not going to display on a web page, but it acts as a note to explain your intention or purpose for that section. So when you add comment in your HTML code, it's like leaving notes for yourself and other developers. If another developers look at your code, they can read the comments to understand what each part does. It's helpful way to communicate intentions, provide explanations, and make it easier for others to work with and maintain the code. Using comment has a several benefit, like comment help in documenting your code by providing certain information or additional information about the purpose of each section or element. This is especially useful for yourself or other developer who might work on the same code later on. And if you write good comments, so it is readable and understandable as well. It helps others or even yourself the logic and functionality of the HTML code and making maintenance and modification easier. So this is all comment is. So I'm going to end this video lecture here only. Now we will meet in the next upcoming video lecture.